Today we witness something truly remarkable, the creation of the first human cell, the zygote. Inside the egg, the sperm's DNA slowly approaches the egg's nucleus. Two different sets of genetic material, two different origins, moving toward one shared purpose. The male and female nuclei float closer and closer until their chromosomes begin to align side by side. A perfect arrangement designed by nature itself. Then, in a moment of silent brilliance, the chromosomes merge into one unified blueprint. This single structure now holds every detail: hair color, skin tone, height, eye color, even personality traits hidden deep inside the genes. The egg is no longer just an egg. It becomes a zygote, the very first cell of a new human life. Inside, tiny energy factories called mitochondria activate, powering the zygote for its first task, the first cell division. But before that moment begins, the zygote gently floats inside the fallopian tube, carrying within it the entire code of a brand new human being. This is the true beginning, the spark from which everything else will grow.